Hello, and welcome to JOHRUT Academy, your guide to understanding the future of technology and artificial intelligence. In today's episode, we're breaking down a simple but powerful question. What exactly is AI? Let's get into it. AI stands for artificial intelligence. In simple terms, it's when machines or software are built to think and act like humans, solving problems, learning from experience, and even making decisions. It's like teaching a computer to behave like a brain, not just storing data, but understanding, analyzing, and improving itself over time. You may not notice it, but AI is already all around you. When YouTube recommends videos you like, that's AI. When your phone unlocks with Face ID, that's AI. When you ask ChatGPT a question, that's AI. Even spam filters in your email use AI to catch junk messages. So AI is not just science fiction anymore, it's part of everyday life. There are different levels of AI, but let's keep it simple. Narrow AI. This is what we have today, AI that does one task really well, like voice assistants or tools that write for you. General AI, this is still a dream, an AI that can think and learn just like a human in all areas. Right now, we are still in the narrow AI stage, but moving fast toward more advanced systems. AI matters because it's going to change everything, from jobs to education to how we live, work, and communicate. It can help doctors detect diseases faster. It can help farmers predict weather patterns. It can help students learn better with personalized content. And yes, it can replace certain jobs, which means we need to adapt and learn new skills. That's why learning about AI, even just the basics, is one of the smartest things you can do right now. So now you know AI is simply machines learning to think and act smart, and it's already shaping our world. In future episodes, we'll explore AI tools, how to use them, and how to prepare for an AI-powered future, especially right here in Africa. This is Sir Ziggy, your guide to tech and AI. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast if you learned something new today. Catch you in the next episode.